everyone, it's Brett from Jim's Pool Care with another hint and tip. Today we're talking about backwashing a filter. As part of regular pool maintenance, it's important that your filter or sand filter or media filter is backwashed regularly. We recommend every 4 weeks or when the pressure increases. So today I'm going to show you the sequence. As we look down at the filter is in filtration position. We always make sure we turn off the pump, depress the handle and spin it around to backwash. We then start the pump back up and we normally run that for around 30 seconds to a minute or until this sight glass right here is running clear. Once that's clear, we then turn the pump back off, come around to the filter handle, we depress the handle and turn it around to the rinse cycle. We then run rinse for somewhere between 15 to 30 seconds or until this sight glass runs clear again. After we've finished the rinse, we move it back to the filtration position, turn the pump back on and resume normal running cycles. If you need a hand with anything to do with your pool or filtration, feel free to give Jim's Pool Care a call on 131546 or visit our website. Have a great day.